everything that we stand for.
That's right.
With that being said, let me get Proverbs 3 and 5, brothers. America is wicked. Everything about America is wicked. You want to wear the American flag? Do you know it's unconstitutional to do so? It's against the Constitution for you guys to wear the American flag.
That's right.
Not only is it against the Constitution, it's against the Most High for you to uplift the wicked kingdom. We'll go ahead and get into this lesson. Let me get what you got, Proverbs 3 and 5.
It's the book of Proverbs 3 and 5. Trust in the Lord with all thy heart, and lean not unto thy own understanding.
Every time we dive into the scriptures, man, you gotta trust not on your own understanding, trust in Yahweh with all your heart. That's what you do every single time you get in these scriptures. Don't think you know what's going on. If you're a little bit hesitant or whatever, ask a brother, dive deeper into the scriptures, pray on it, rest on it.
Right.
Let me get Isaiah 28 and 20. We out here prophesying the downfall of this wicked kingdom, man. That's what it is. America is destroyed.
Not celebrating with them.
We're not supposed to be celebrating, throwing stuff on the grill, holding hands in hands.
That's
off, man. That's off. That's not what we're supposed to be doing. That basically lets me know that you don't give a damn about what your ancestors went through when they got here.
Right.
Before and when they got here. Let me get that.
This the book of Isaiah 28 and 10. For precept must be upon precept, precept upon precept,
Twice.
line upon line, line upon line, here a little and there a little.
Now, if you know anything about Israel, we hard-headed, man. We don't listen. That's why that scripture told us everything 2 times.
Right.
Because we don't get it the first time around. We got to go through adversity. We got to go through strife and tribulation before we even think to get an idea to do something.
Right.
Let me get Matthew 24, 38 through 39. And with all this lasciviousness, all this madness, basically, this is reminiscent of the days of Noah, man. Just like it was back then, like how it is now. They drinking, marrying, giving into marriage. They don't care about what tomorrow is. We still got people at the border suffering, going through hell, but we gonna turn up and celebrate anyway.
Bring it out.
That's
Bring
fine.
it out. Bring it out.
Yeah, you don't care. That's fine. Enjoy your kingdom now, because it's about to be over.
That's right. Tell me.
24. Slide.
Tell me.
Kingdom's about to be over, man. We was just bringing it out. The missiles could go off in the morning. We don't know. With all this tension and all this angst that's going on between nations, us going against Iran, who's in bed with Syria,
right.
who's in bed with Russia. So you don't really understand how deep this thing goes. It's not just one nation versus one nation.
Right.
We talking about good versus evil. It's a crazy battle out
That's
here,
right.
man. Crazy battle. Let me get what you got. All right?
Bring it out.
24:38.
This the book of Matthew 24 and 38.
Bring it out,
For as in the day that were before the flood, they were eating and drinking,
just like we doing now.
marrying and giving in marriage,
Just like we doing now.
until the day that Noah entered into the ark.
So we gonna keep doing the same thing until it finally crack off, and then we gonna be worrying about what happened and wondering why we're not prepared. When this whole time you got brothers out here giving you the instructions on how to get right and how to receive salvation, because ain't nobody saved yet. But what do? We gonna party and turn up, put stuff on the grill, kick it with the white man, celebrate his holiday instead of honoring our ancestors in our holy days.
Right.
Is there more on that?
139.
39.
Verse 39. And knew not until the flood came and took them away.
So they didn't know until it was too late. Read.
So shall also the coming of the Son of Man be.
And that's just how it's going to be when Yahweh Shah HaMashiach comes back, man.
That's right.
Everybody going to be doing the same exact thing, not caring, not giving a damn about themselves, this world, or the children of Israel. And that's where that sky going to crack, man. It's going to be too late after that.
That's right. That's right.
Let me get Revelation 17, 1 and 2. And that's just what America does, man. They lull everybody to sleep with their wine and their doctrines, so everybody's behind them and they're asleep to the ways of the world and what's going on. But we're not hearing that, man. America is the great whore that the Bible speaks of. The whore that sits upon many waters, if you want to be exact.
Right.
Where does the Statue of Liberty sit? In the harbor of New York.
Bring it out.
In the Atlantic, which is on the coastline. Many waters.
Teach that.
Let's bring that out in the Bible, see what the Bible has to say.
Right.
Revelation 17 and 1. And there came one of the 7 angels, which had the 7 vials, and talked with me, saying unto me, Come hither, I will shew unto thee the judgment of the great whore that sitteth upon many waters.
So that's what we're here to do, is give you the judgment of the great whore that sits upon many waters, which is America. Go ahead, let me get verse 2.
Verse 2. With whom the kings of the earth have committed fornication.
Fornication, man, that's all America knows. That's all they about. Read.
And the inhabitants of the earth have been made drunk with the wine of her fornication.
And that's what I was saying. America has lulled everybody to sleep with her wine, which is her doctrine, her ways of life. They fooled everybody into thinking that this is how it's supposed to be, and this is how it's always going to be.
Right.
They don't want to hear that their kingdom is coming to an end.
That's right.
Their Moabite friends, their Ammonite friends, their Amalek friends, they don't want to hear that their kingdom is coming to an end.
Right.
They don't want to hear that. They don't want to be felt. They want to wear these American flags. You know what I mean? They want to eat and marry like we just read in it, like it's the days of Noah. Let me get Deuteronomy 28 and 49. All right. And it's not a game, man. It's not a game. We're not out here to tell you everything's gonna be cool and everything's lovely, because it's not. Like we just stated, at any given time, the sky can crack and this thing can pop off, man. And so you better be ready, Israel. Wear your fringes. You know what I'm saying? If you're prophesying or praying, as a man, have your head covered. As a woman, have your head uncovered. As a woman, have your head covered, face to east, for men and female. Just certain things we should be doing as our heritage, as that was passed down from our forefathers, that we neglect and forget because America has indoctrinated us and brought us into their ways. Let me
There
read
you
you
go.
that.
Bring it out.
Deuteronomy 28 and 49. The Lord shall bring a nation against thee from far.
Pause. So, as Israelites, being where we're from, this applies to us more than anybody. Now let's break it down to a more understanding level. You have blacks or Israelites who are in Africa. A nation came from afar, got them, put them on boats, brought them to slavery.
Right.
Our northern kingdom are Hispanics. They came to the Americas, put them on ships from afar, and brought them into slavery. So this is talking about us. Go ahead, continue, right?
From the end of the earth.
From the ends of the earth. They weren't down the street. They weren't the next country over. They came from all the way across the world to enslave us because they knew that we were the children of God. Go ahead.
As swift as the eagle flying.
What is the America's national anthem, or the national bird? The bald eagle.
That's
We got to
right. As swift as the eagle flying.
And that's just how they move, swift. They sit there and prey on you. They hide in the perches just like an eagle. They view you out. Eagle has damn near 20/20 vision. They can see perfectly. And that's just like the long arm of the white man's government. They use all these cameras. They can see you from afar.
They got binocular vision.
Exactly. There you go. They got the binocular vision, bro. They can see you move before you even move. They can see a spot of fish in the water, swoop down as swift as an eagle, pluck them out, and take them to wherever they were. And that's exactly what they did to us.
Right.
Let me get Habakkuk 2 and 12. Right? And once they did that, they brought us over here. They put us to labor, hard labor. And in 1776, they got their independence from the British, who they weren't even the originals. The Britons were the original Brits.
Right.
Now they call themselves British, just like the Jewish man is trying to be like a Jew.
Right.
That's a whole nother lesson for another day.
Bring it on.
They brought us over here and put us straight to work, man. They put us straight to work, and they built their whole nation on the blood of our ancestors and off of our backs. Let's get that.
This the book of Habakkuk 2 and 12. Woe to him that buildeth a town with blood.
Bring it out.
Go ahead. Sorry.
And establish a city by iniquity.
They established this entire country, not the city, not the town. They established the entire country by iniquity and off the bloods of our ancestors and the bloods of our back. But what the scripture said, we're gonna wash our feet we're gonna wash our feet in their blood.
That's right.
Let me get Ezekiel 35 and 5, right?
Bring it
And
out.
they brought out they love shedding the blood of Israel, man. If they didn't, they wouldn't do it so much. That you can't tell me that they don't love killing us, they don't like keeping us oppressed, or else they would have let us go a long time ago. They would have let us go and gave us reparations like the Japanese. But the scripture tells you we don't want your money. We don't want your reparations. What we want, what the scripture say, we want blood.
Yeah, we want your blood.
We want blood. If you can get, matter of fact, if you can find that, bring that out real quick. If not, never mind, it's like it. Just go ahead and bring this out. Ezekiel 35 and 5.
I got you.
This the book of Ezekiel, chapter 35, verse 5. Because thou hast had a perpetual hatred.
It's like, what does perpetual mean? Ongoing, constantly. So it's not just a one-time incident to where we're holding a grudge for a past beef. This is going on and on and on, generation after generation, century after century, a perpetual hatred. Go ahead.
Right, that's right.
It has shed the blood of the children of Israel.
Once again, shed our blood, not their own, not in the way that they do it like us. I seen a white boy grab his pistol, and the cop was like, "Yo, chill. Come on, man. They don't do that to us. We gonna reach for some dental floss when we get shot in the street. Come on, man."
Let me finish it.
Yeah, go ahead.
By the force of the sword, in the time of their calamity, in the time that their iniquity had an end.
And that's exactly what's going on, man. Let me get Psalms 55:19-21. And every treaty that they, I had a couple brothers come up to me and was like, "Yo, man, you might want to check into this Moor thing, man. You can get a Moorish ID.
Right,
give you the paperwork.
Right.
We got our own flag. They'll protect you. We get access to money. We can travel certain places." And I was like, "Okay, that sounds good. I mean, I don't doubt what you're saying is facts." And he showed me the Moorish ID. And I was like, "All right, cool. But you know what I mean? How is that gonna save you? Because we just, in the beginning, no one is saved yet. Is this ID gonna keep the white man from coming kicking my head in? I doubt it. Not only that, look at the Gadites and the Reubenites. They came over here and made all these treaties and made all these covenants with them, and then even before that they moved west towards Issachar and stuff like that. They made all these treaties with these people and broke every last one of them.
Every last one of them.
Louisiana Purchase. I mean, there's too many to name. All the treaties they done broken. Let me get that. All right, bring it out. See, the Bible even tells you. Come on, man.
20,
30,
55,
19.
19 through 21.
Psalm 55:19. God shall hear and afflict them, even he that abideth of all Salah, because they have no changes. Therefore they fear not God.
They fear not Yahweh, man. They don't fear Yahweh because who knows why? Maybe it's just not in them for them. You know what I mean? But they should get in the ways. Go ahead.
Just ain't in them.
Just ain't in them.
Verse 20. He has put forth his hand against such as be at peace with him.
So what they do, they make a treaty with you. They get you to be friends. They have tea with you. They beseech you, and you going into slavery. And what they do is at the same time, as soon as you sign that treaty, as soon as you make that agreement, they stab you in the back, literally and figuratively, and take everything that they agreed upon that they weren't going to go against. They go against all their promises and all their constitutions, all their contracts, whatever you want to call them. They go against it. Go ahead.
He has broken his covenant.
There it is, broken the covenants.
They go against their own laws, and every law they got, they come up with a loophole because they know they're the main criminals perpetrating the act.
Exactly.
Verse 21. The words of his mouth were smoother than butter.
They always come to you with these very good sayings and these float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. It rhymes, it sounds good, it feels good. This is what their nature is. They're fooling you. We give it to you the harsh truth. Either like it, accept it, or don't. Go ahead,
We're not racist.
That's the first thing they tell you. Oh, we're not. I have a black friend. I have 3 black friends. If you can count your black friends, you're racist. Come on, man. Go ahead.
But war was in his heart.
But war's in their heart. No matter what their words say, we go by their actions. And their actions and their history is rape, rob, and pillage, and war. Go ahead.
Right. His words were softer than oil.
Softer than oil, man.
Yet were they drawn with swords.
But they drawn with swords. It can't be put any plainer than that. If you don't realize the mentality and the ways of the white man, then you need to get in this Bible. And if you can't get it after that, you might be part of the 2/3.
Also, if they even make the comment, I got a black friend, that's racist.
That lets you know right there. Why do you have to prove to me that you know what I mean? It should speak in your actions that you're not. You know what I'm saying? You should even if I don't rock with you, you should be at least trying to help the children of Israel. Nothing else. Because if you help the children of Israel, then we have to bless you too. That doesn't mean you get the kingdom, but we gotta bless you. Let me get Psalms 49 and 11. You ready?
Psalm 49 and 11. Their inward thoughts is that their houses shall continue forever.
And just like this holiday, just like 1776, just like everything that they celebrate, They think in their hearts that this kingdom is going to last forever. Nobody can bring them down. America's lasted for this long. They're this skilled in military. They have this much money. They have this much intelligence. Yeah, they're puffed up on pride, man. But you know who's going to bring them down? Yahweh Hashem Yahweh Shai,
That's
man.
right.
That's right.
Bring it out.
This the book of Revelation, 18:4. And I heard another voice from heaven saying, come out of her, my people.
Come out of her, my people.
That ye be not partakers of her sin.
Don't do what they do. Be a separate and holy people, as stated in Deuteronomy 7 and 6.
That's right.
We're not supposed to be mingling and following behind, walking hand in hand with these other nations, especially America, man. It's the whore of Babylon, man.
That's right. That's right.
And that ye receive not of her plague, for her sin have reached unto heaven, and God has remembered her iniquity.
So they want us to forget. But Yahweh said he remembers their iniquities. So why would we forget everything that's happened to our people when God Almighty says that he's remembered and he's going to make sure that they get repaid for what they did to us?
Here we go. Verse 6, reward her even as she rewarded you.
Kind.
And double unto her, double according to her works.
We're not just going to pay them back. We're going to pay them back double for what they did to us. America will fall. Believe it or not, have your fun now. The folly is over.
And the cup which she hath filled full to her double.
The cup that is filled to her double. Same thing what the Lord is going to give to these nations. Everything they did to us is going to be put upon them double. So know that so-called black man, so-called Hispanic man, so-called Native man, everything that they did to us will be done double unto them. And that's what we do here, man, prophesying the downfall of America, man. Go ahead, bring that out, all right?
This the book of Jeremiah, 28 and 8. The prophet that has been before me, even before thee, of old prophesied, both against many countries and against great kingdoms, of war and of evil and of pestilence.
And that's exactly what we're doing.
Yeah.
We're not the first to do this, man. Our forefathers, us in the regeneration, we've always been doing this. You're always going to be who you are, man. Since the beginning, we've been out here trying to tell y'all, hey, get it together, Israel. Get it together. Trying to get these other nations in line so the world can be a better place. And that's what it's about, man. We're prophesying the downfall of America, man. At the end of the day, y'all here to uplift America and celebrate this holiday? Nah, it's over, man. We coming for the downfall, man. Folly day. That's the lies. Fourth of July.
Right.
That's it. Shalom.
Kwam Yashala.